Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Strawberry in Bloom token. Now this token here is trending number one in the Ethereum section right now on Dex Screener. Very popular project. It's up 155,000% today. This is a brand new, well, it's based off of a brand new Matt Fury character. And Matt Fury, we know, is the creator of Boys Club and the very popular Pepe meme. And other comic books as well. Mind, Viscosity, Knight Riders, etc. And now we have Berry, Strawberry in Bloom. And we're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So at BerryCoinETH is their X, their Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing. Starting today, this token got listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and you would search Berry ETH, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. They have it listed as Berry ETH because obviously before there was another token with a ticker symbol Berry, and so they wanted to distinguish that this one is the one on the Ethereum blockchain. And so you would search Berry ETH. Now their Twitter has the contract address right there on there. It says Matt Fury's new female frog, Strawberry in Bloom, on chain as Berry. And then it has a link to their webpage, BerryCoinETH.vip. You can see it's a brand new Twitter, just joined May 2025. Already has 2,015 followers, 60 posts, blue verified check mark. And in their pinned tweet, it shows the comic book from Matt Fury, where you could see the Berry character in the comic book. And this token pair was actually just created 19 hours, 42 minutes ago on Uniswap. Right now they have a market cap and fully diluted valuation of $7.8 million. They're up 149,000% with a 24-hour trading volume of $19.6 million. 15,912 transactions today. They have $380,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and token price right now is 1.86 cents per token. Now you can find their Etherscan also listed on their Dex Screener chart. You can also find this token on Dex Tools as well. Their Telegram is at Strawberry in Bloom on Telegram, and they have 1,763 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates, partnerships, token listing announcements, all sorts of things on their Twitter and their Telegram. There's 9 decimal places on this token. So far, they have 3,242 holders according to their Etherscan. 420,690,000 Berry tokens in total. And lastly, their webpage, if you want to check that out, is BerryCoinETH.vip. And it says Matt Fury's hints a frog character from the new book featuring Strawberry in Bloom, a female Pepe form. So this is like the female version of Pepe the frog. So Matt Fury, the artist, is best known for creating Pepe the Frog, has been working on a new book. He's about to release a female Pepe character called Strawberry in Bloom. This character has already been showcased in several art galleries, sparking curiosity and excitement among fans. According to a Fury's book editor, who goes by the handle of @BEUYS_on_sale_ on Instagram, Matt especially loves this character. Strawberry in Bloom is set to be the most important figure in the new book, becoming the emotional core of the next chapter. Now it says there is no taxes, 100% community token, 100% meme, and 100% viral. Matt Fury's iconic frog Pepe took the internet by storm. Originally a quirky male character that quickly went viral through countless hilarious memes, years later it inspired the creation of the Pepe meme coin, which exploded in 2023, reaching a $10 billion market cap. Get ready for something extraordinary. Now, it says here that they're listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Dex Screener, Dex Tools right now, but CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko are coming soon. They have an embedded Dex Screener chart right on their webpage. If you need to reach out, their email is contact@berrycoineth.vip. So besides being listed today on MEXC Global, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get the token off of Uniswap as well. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, you could use a MetaMask wallet, or a Coinbase wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you can fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, you'd go into the dApps, and you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you could find basically all over the place. You could find it on their Twitter, right there. You can find it on their chart sites, their Etherscan, or their webpage, berrycoineth.vip. You would then trade your ETH for the Berry token using that contract address. On the webpage, it says 0% taxes, so you don't need to worry about slippage or anything like that. And and you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees, though, so just be aware of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.